For those of you who don't know, I was house hacking since September 19th, 2019. It pulled in $70,000 in rent and 186 grand in a tax-free capital gain when I sold. I was going to start the process over again, and then I decided not to. This strategy was a business, and now the business is sold. Here's why I sold everything and stopped house hacking and what I'm gonna do now. I sold all my stuff because 1, I can't travel with it, 2, I don't need most of it, and 3, it distracts me. I stopped house hacking because 1, my beliefs changed, 2, my priorities came into focus, and 3, I realized it was time to stop stopping on what actually matters to me. What I'm gonna do now: 1, I'm unvaccinated, so I'm going to start traveling to countries that don't require a vaccine. 2, I'm gonna identify what scares the out of me. 3, I'm going to identify what I love spending my time doing. 4, I'm going to go ahead and do those 2 categories of things to the exclusion of everything else. 5, I'm going to be making a lot more videos. Life is what you make it. House hacking served its purpose. That's just one more business I sold that I can add to the list. My compass is now set to point me only in the direction of my greatest desires and greatest fears that I seek to overcome. I will live the life every man dreams about living. My next major business focus will be YouTube. I will expand my presence, make excellent content for entrepreneurs, marketers, investors, finance enthusiasts, and other crowds as well. There's really only one thing in life that matters for you and for me, which is living the way you want to live with this one life you got. I hope this short and simplified video was inspiring and instructive. Stay tuned to see the first country I'm headed to. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Let's get back to work.